call, you're always there. You always answer me. Oh yeah, you're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me? Your grace is all I see. Your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry. Oh no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around. You are all around me. All around me. Yeah. All around me. Yeah. And all I see is your beauty all around me. And all I see is your glory all around me. Oh, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, to know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, let go. Yeah. Follow me, let go. Follow me, let go. Follow me, let go. Oh, goodness and mercy. Follow me, always follow me. Yeah. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never precious, nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, strong. See, I have already overcome. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. Ooh, on and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all, it's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. But whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Yeah. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, this is my victory song. 1 step, ooh, 2 step, keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere he went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind eyes see? When he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. A crown of thorns for me, your hands with pierce for me, your body bruised for me. You died that I might be. No other love like this, to lay your life out of love for me. Lord, I love you so much. Now I live in victory. Your precious life you gave to me. You gave it freely, I didn't earn it, you qualified me. Now I am royalty, yeah, yeah, because you live inside of me. A new creation, you have made us just like Jesus. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. Everything that I touch is blessed. Everything that I touch is blessed. Yeah, let's go one time. I am the blessed one, a new creation. I am deity, royalty. God has made me, I'm one with Him. I rule, I reign, in Christ I reign. Oh, I prosper in Jesus' name. I rule, I reign, in Christ I reign. Oh, I prosper in Jesus' name. Everything that I touch is blessed. Everything that I touch is blessed.
I am the blessed one, a new creation. I am, yeah, deity, royalty. God has made me, I'm one with Him. I rule, I reign, in Christ I reign. Oh yes, I prosper in Jesus' name. I rule, I reign, in Christ I reign. I prosper in Jesus' name.
Everything that I touch is blessed. Everything that I touch is blessed.
Yo, chat, what up, chat? How you guys doing? Happy Thursday. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, let's go. Let's see who's here. Good morning, gang. Let's go.
This is Pod 5, the first.
Oh yeah, let's go one time, yeah. We be raising the roof till it falls off. We be praising the Lord, yeah, we taking no days off. With my hands in the sky, I can praise Him all the day long. Ooh, love for you, I go to sing song. Love for you, I go to sing song, yeah. Let me tell you a story of how great my God is. He's God of creation, He lives inside me. Great God of glory, so great and mighty, yeah. So pure and holy, no one compares to you. How could I worry? How could I fear when He lives inside me? Nobody contest, yeah. Nobody contest. Nobody contest. I am that I am, oh, only you I praise, yeah. Nobody contest. Nobody contest. I am that I am, oh, only you I praise, yeah. People all praise to the one above. Oh yeah, you're the one who parted the sea. Oh yeah, you're the one that walking me. Oh.
Morning, gang. What's up? Shout out to Don. What's up? Don Andre, how you doing? Let's see what's here. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go.
How could I worry? How could I feel when he lives inside me? Nobody contest, yeah. Nobody contest. Nobody contest. I am that I am, oh, only you I praise, yeah. Nobody contest. Nobody contest. I am that I am, oh, only you I praise, yeah. Morning, noon, and night, I will praise you all the time. All the time, all the time. I will praise you all the time. Morning, noon, and night, I will praise you all the time. All the time, all the time. I will praise you all the time. Morning, noon, and night, I will praise you all the time. All the time, all the time. I will praise you all the time. Morning, noon, and night, I will praise you all the time. All the time, all the time. I will praise you all the time.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name.
What's up, gang? Good morning, what's up? Shout out to 9 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Happy Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday, what's up?
Pray for my nigga Uno too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids.
Definitely not the list.
Definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany, and BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know
What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Let's see what's here. Shout out to 10 viewers right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning.
Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. and especially having God in your life first.
What's up, Eric? How you doing? Good morning.
The devil doing God knows what. As long as you keep God first, you'll be alright.
Good morning. Good morning.
I've always had the ultimate
What's up,
confidence.
Reese? How you doing? Good morning.
I've always believed in myself, and I always tried to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles.
W morning. Got some pips. Wow, man. W. Yeah, W. W. All right. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream here. Welcome to the London session live stream. Who's ready for the day, gang? Type ready in the chat. Let's see who's here. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the day. So we got 2 dubs this week, right? We got 2 London session, 2 dubs. I believe, right? Yeah. We'll start on Monday. Yeah, no trade on me on Monday. Okay, 26. So we start a banger Tuesday. Okay, 17 pips. So yeah, man. Who's ready for the day? Let's go. Type ready in the chat. Oh, the monthly is about to close. Okay, cool. All right, let's do the top down here. I'm up this week, thankfully, ending August. Wow, congrats, Riz. How you do? W, W gang. So too many people are winners this week and this month. W gang, W, W. All right, let's do the top down here. All right, so the monthly time frame is about to close now. We have 1 day and 14 hours for this candle to close. And yeah, man, we're gonna close bullish. All right, we're gonna close bullish now above the current structure. So we have support has been formed. We have, I would say, resistance here, like psychology resistance on the left hand side here. So we're stuck in the range basically, right? But the problem is we're gonna close above on the previous support, right? So if this candle close, yeah, we're gonna expect that we probably gonna move up on the next monthly candle, right? Like this. But we need to see at least bottom wick because we need, we need liquidities here. We need to re-break this at least. Because in the past candle, as you can see, we have create steeper bottom wick, and the previous monthly candle too, we don't have any top wick, right? But still, we push because Trump. Believe this is Trump candle that he won in the presidential. So right now, on the next month candle, I'm probably gonna expect this before flip up like this. So you need to expect at least liquidity grabs on this zone, right? And if the monthly candle didn't react here, there is a high chance this can happen, right? There's a high chance that we can move up. Oh, sorry, we can move down here, right? So I'm pretty bullish on the month. As you can see, we're heading to the upside. So let's see on the weekly. So the weekly, okay, we're going up to the resistance area now. We're closing in resistance. So we have support here. Okay, we have support being respected. We have resistance. Now, if this candle didn't push, didn't close above like this, so there is a high chance that we can react here because we have rejections here on the price. As you can see here on the weekly, we have wicks and we have resistance has been formed with the heavy body candle, right? So I probably gonna expect this if this candle didn't close above the range. All right, so there this can happen on price, and we can retest this again, right? So basically we are in the cycle. We need to understand the cycle, the condition, the market condition. What market condition are we currently in? So basically we are in consolidation cycle right now. And if we drop down to the daily time frame, we expect um, tapping resistance right here. So what will happen once you tap the resistance there? There is some reactions here on price. We move down, 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 right? So we're gonna base basically on this time frame, the daily time frame, once we are tapping on the resistance area. And we're creating some ranges here on price, right? And as you can see, the candle is starting to squeeze and starting to close like small body, right? The move is around 300 200 pip move, right? Increase the volume a bit. You probably increase the volume on your mobile, on your laptop, whatever, because I believe my volume is good. So yep. So the daily is starting to squeeze here. The body is getting small. The closure is about to, we don't have any top wick closure on the daily too. So I'm expecting, right? So we have resistance here on price. Okay. So we are in the resistance area on the daily now. Okay. I'm expecting once you re-break, okay, at least re-break the high here and then move back down again. And we close bearish probably on the price, right? And yeah, so basically I'm gonna expect, but we need to re-break the high here first. We need to see a top wick on the current candle because we don't have top wick on the previous candle. Right, this is no top wick. I'm gonna expect the same like this, but good body closure. So that's the daily, the four. Okay, the four is still moving up here, gang. Right, we have structure. As you can see, we're just printing at least side by side and creating some ranges towards to the upside. And I would say if we have a volume, right? If we have a good volume and then the dollar, went up, it's gonna look like this, right? So look at this, gang. Okay, look at what happened in the past year. So look at this structure on price and look at this structure, current structure. So it has a similarity, right? It has a similar on this previous one. When is this? August 20. Yeah, it's August 6. As you can see, right? We're just printing side by side, but there's structure. We're creating higher highs, higher low towards to the upside. And suddenly, as you can see, when the volume came, man, we ripped down here. So we have this. So we have this. Now I'm gonna expect this. I expect to at least fill the range on the left because we have here, you need to you need to correct this move and able for you to push up even further like this. So I'm always expecting some, correction in the move because that happened in the past, this one. Always mirroring the same move. Same happen on the left hand side. So yeah, 1 hour. Okay, we are 1 hour is no top wick, no previous top wick here. And we're trying to move down. Really nice. The 30, okay, as you can see, the 30 closure doesn't look good because the body is getting small. The 15, I believe creating some ranges here. Yeah, we're creating some ranges here. All right, so we have structure here. Oh, yeah, I would say we need to wait for this 30 to close. So yeah, gang. I believe my volume is good, right? Right, chat? The volume is good, right? Let me know, gang. Volume is good, right? Yeah, better. Okay. Cool. Okay. So because we need the body, we need a good body closure at least. I need probably like this closure because we have small body closure. But let's see what will happen here. We need to close at least below this range probably. And yeah, 10 minutes again. Let's see if we're gonna grab some potentials again. That's the early close and the 4 hours still open. Okay, so we have closure, good body closure, bearish closure, rejections, and re-break. Okay, we probably gonna consolidate here again on this structure, but we have clean move once we close below here, 80 pip range. But let's see, this is clean move too. We have 50 pip range going down, so it's a decent range to trade. Let's see, shout out to 18 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel too. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. No closure. Mhm. No closure, belowsure. Mhm. Shout out 23 viewers right now. Gang, like the stream and subs to the channel too. Like the stream, subs to the channel. I am always live every Monday through Friday, gang. No closure. No closure, belowsure. Damn. All right, we're pushing up. We're pushing up. Damn, we're uh ranging again. Ranging. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. What concept or this looks like, right? Yeah, it's Raja. Yep. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, 2 minutes. Man, we're closing below the range now. Okay, cool. The 4 should move down. The daily should move down. Okay. 30 pips, 35 pips. Mm, mm, mm. 1 minute and 46 seconds here, gang. Let's see if we're gonna grab some trades today. All right, re-breaking the lows there. Interesting. We're re-breaking the low. 1 hour low should move down here. At least this. All right, gang, locked in here. 1 minute for candle to close. We might have potential. Can we close below? Can we close below? Bam, 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 bam. We need a bottom wick. Oh, damn. Yeah, it closed below, but man. 2 minute rejections to the left. Be careful. Yeah, I know that. I know that. I see that. I see that, gang. So the problem on this closure is, yeah, we close below, but it's kind of respecting, right? Because if we wanna, close below, should close like this. Yeah, I like this closure, but the problem is, yeah, we close at least on the below 1 inch, or half inch. I don't know, but probably this kind of closure is I really don't like because it respect closure and respect. Yeah, I see consolidation. I see consolidation. I see consolidation. But for me, no Benos here, gang. No Benos. No trades. Yeah, we need to see closure below at least this range. So we can, probably wait for this 30 to close below and grab the sells. Because really, this is a decent range, on the 30. So it's gonna look like pushing down here. The 4 hour, okay. The one, because once you re-break this previous candle on the one, yeah, might push down. Might push down here like this. Once you re-break that. But let's see how this 30 and the 15 looks if this candle close below. Right now, we need to wait. All right, gang. So, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to 31 viewers. Asha, good morning. How you doing? Shout out to 38 viewers. Make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. I am live every single day, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Dubai time. So make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel too. Dun, dun, dun. Accuracy rate doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter accuracy rate. What is your risk reward to own gold, man? For me, it doesn't matter. As long as you're following your rules, following your plan, you're good. If you're always, basing your RR accuracy rate, man, you're not gonna make it into trading, bro. Because right now, I would say if you're good on accuracy or whatever you call that, raise reward RR, but you're not following your plan, it doesn't matter, bro. Following your plan every single day, you're doing good. But my RR basically 1:1. I always look for 1:1. Depends. I always manage my trade. Seven minutes. Seven minutes for candle to close. Shout out to 41 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. What is my story? Just watch the previous video, bro. I take live trade every single day. Just watch my video here on the YouTube so you can know my story, gang. Right? Watch all the live stream and you see everything here, gang. All here, live, taking live. That's my story. Track record, yeah, I journal my trade. Basically, this is my trading journal, and yeah. And I'm a funded trader too. So yeah, if you wanna, know my story, just watch all my videos on YouTube, how I take trades live, and that's it. Do you trade NY? Yeah, off stream. I trade NY off stream. Thank you for explaining the onion yesterday. Wow, W, bro. Wow, the 50. Damn. Damn, gold. Yeah, so I do the top down earlier. I start in the live stream. And I noticed that in the past week, July probably or this August, the candles start to squeeze now. Start to close with small body and no volume, like 200 pip volume. Man, in this kind of market condition, you need to be patient, right? You don't need to take trades every single day, gang. In this market condition, only take trades when the right setup shows up, right? So, oh man, don't tell me you one of those Dumbo people, man. Scam everyone or just really bad trade. Gang, I don't really care about other people, bro. I focus on myself. Right? I don't care about scam. I'm not scamming people, bro. I live in Dubai. There's no scam here. And I'm not blaming anyone like scam, bad trader. I'm not that type of people, bro. So if you're like hopping in the live stream and spreading some bad news here, bro, just leave it here. Go out of here, man. I don't wanna see you here asking for history, whatever, bro. I don't wanna see you here, gang. Spreading some news, bad news, the bad energy, gang. It's a bad energy, bro. I don't like bad energy. Get out of here, guy. Get out of here, gang. We don't like you here, bro. What do you mean, Raja? Would be ashamed of you spreading facts. How? What? What? What are you talking about, dog? Raja likes me so much, gang. All right, we're closing back in the rain. Just printing side by side here. Oh, the silent becomes silent now, huh? This dude, they know he don't know. He doesn't know any better. Gang, if you encounter those people, man, those people is nothing. We're having a good vibe. We're having, some good chat here, and then bad energy came. No buenos. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Consolidating. Thursday, right? So I would say this is not a major news, right? If you wanna see major news, it's basically NFP, CPI, PPI, but this USD is probably is just a minor, but it's a red folder. Will give you, will give you will give you some, you know, volume. But NY is there, but sometimes NY, if the NY, right, yesterday, I believe, yeah, yesterday night, we push down and we react always here on price three times and then, yeah, and shoot up. Yeah, Reese is one of the moderator now. Um, Elizabeth London session before major. Yeah. Quick question was that I enter at a 338385 for our for value gap. Uh, 3385. Yeah, you're good here, bro. You're making profit now. Do you DXY for it's basically DXY. Okay, I will tell you once again. DXY is not gonna correlate the gold. You know, DXY can move, right? Can move, and gold will move. Okay, no matter what, gold will move. Yep, it's not gonna be correlate. But sometimes, when the news pops up, and you see that dollars going down, gold, yeah, there is some similarity, but it's gold will move. No matter what, gold will move. And I'm not believing on correlation when the dollar and the gold gold will move no matter what. Gang, if you want to be one of the moderator in the live stream, just show up in the live stream. I want to see you chat in the YouTube chat. So yeah, you need to earn that being moderator. How much the pay? There's no pay. The live stream's free, bro. Live stream is free. Free trade in the live stream. If I got trade, work for free. How much average pip you catch in one trade? Usually 15 to 20 pips. But sometimes I run the trade. But sometimes I run the trade. Mhm. Entry model is depends, it depends. Asian high taken out. So I'm not usually, you know, CRT. No, I don't know CRT, and I don't know Asian high taken out. I don't know that. I trade price action. All right, I trade price action, trade how the candles move, candles behavior. So yeah, this mean R is subjected to you. Um, for me, R doesn't matter. Okay, the R it doesn't matter as long as you're following your plan every single day. Candle range theory, I don't know that. Is the best model? Yeah, all this strategy is the best, but the question how you gonna work with that strategy, how you gonna be following your rules every single day, how you gonna be patient and disciplined waiting for the setup, that all matters, right? All matters when you're following your rules, following the plan. Volume. Okay. The daily flip. Nice. Daily flip bullish. Here's the top wick already, gang. Okay, here's the top wick that we're gonna wait, right? We're waiting for this top wick on the start on the live stream. It's gonna hit all-time high again. We don't know. We never know. But right now we are in the top of the range. This is pretty tough, resistance area. As you can see, how many top here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming 6. The best year is the one that proves your success for your over long term. Yeah, true that. In the end of the day, bro, it's you versus you. All right, it's you versus you here. You only gonna figure out by your own self. No one can figure out for you. Okay? If you are following your rules every single day, that's the questions, right? Are you following your plan? Are you executing the right trade? That's the real questions. Because if you are saying like, oh, I'm a trader, like this, like that, blah, 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 and in the end of the day you're not following the plan, and then one thing, all right, you say, oh, I'm gonna call it a day now, I'm gonna call it, I made $100, I'm gonna call it a day, but you're still on the chart, gang, you're still hunting a trade. So basically you're doing some shit, you're doing your gambling stuff there. You're not following your rules because you said call it a day, but you're still on the chart hunting a trades. Right? So yeah, Goldie doing Goldie. Yeah, we're probably gonna push up here, but this is gonna be an interesting on the daily here. Resistance level. We wait for a top wick. Now let's see if we're gonna have some reactions here. Let's see. 4 hours about to close. Damn, I probably gonna see this on the next and the react. So we're gonna see a new high again been created here on price. Probably this, a new high and then flip bearish. Yeah, there's high chance we can create a new high on the current structure before heading to the downside. Sweep all the liquidity here. One minute or 2 minutes for candle to close. You're going short? Yeah, okay. You're going short. Good luck, man. Clean traffic on the left. Oh, no clean traffic. This choppy. Choppy, man. Are you Vietnamese? No, I'm a Filipino. Do I look Vietnamese? Same, same. Yeah, same, but different, bro. Same, but different. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Damn. Consolidating and suddenly breakout without clean traffic. How long have you been streaming? I've been streaming for 8 months now, I believe. Yeah, 8 months. I start this January 2025. And it's really hard to grow the YouTube, you know. Right now I just have 738 subs, but yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Giving value for free, so yeah, man. Prop firm or own capital, but I trade fund prop firm and own capital. Mm. Damn, volume. Okay. The 4 hour moving up. 13 minutes for candle to close. Do we close with top wick or no top wick? But we have a volume, gang. We have a volume. There is a high chance that we can create, you know. Right? Like this. There is a high chance that we can create today a new high, okay, chat? A new high here. We need to break this, and then once the candle react, we probably gonna move down. There is a high chance because we're moving up here. How much time you took to become disciplined past your first challenge? By following my plan, by following my rules. But okay, so if you want to be a funded trader, you don't need to become a funded trader. Your mindset should follow your plan every single day. Okay? Stick with your own plan, stick with your own rules, and you're gonna be good. Be patient, bro. Be patient. If you don't, if your setup doesn't show up every single day, don't take trade. Oh, short SL3405. I'm not gonna take short here because we're breaking out. It's really risky to take short. And there's no probability for me too. We're pushing up here. But man, good luck to your sales. I hope it will, you know, make a profit out of it. I would say there is a high chance, okay, chat, that we can, you know, sweep the high and then react. Probably react on 3,410 zone. And chat, by the way, if you want more trading content, make sure you follow me on IG. Link is in the chat. 3427 to sell or try to 3417 level. Right now I really don't know. Yeah, we can, take sells on here, but there is no probability yet. We need structure. Okay, you need structure. Bearish structure still. Right now we're heading to 3,400 again. Okay, the monthly is starting to move up again. The weekly, okay, gang. Yeah, there's a high chance that we can sweep this high on the left. Shout out to 47 viewers. Damn, bro. 47 viewers. Cool. Thank you, chat. Make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream. How much challenges you failed or account blown before? I blew a lot of account, bro. I start with the small. I start with a 15K account and I blew, I believe, like seven challenges. And I start passing account when I bought the 100K. I start there and consistently making profit, but not big profit because I wanna keep the account. I trade that account per small lot. Keep the payout consistently. Reason to blow over risk? No, reason to blow before was I overtrade, right? Sometimes I'm not following my plan too, so yeah. I risk minimal, like 1 to 2%, depends. And before I was, taking layer trades, like adding pineapples on the trade. And right now, I stopped doing pineapple adding position because it will add a new risk again. And then once the hit the stop, it become, big risk. So yeah, I minimize doing pineapple right now. Wow, W risks. W, yeah, man. Give your give yourself at least 3 to 6 months, following your plan, following your rules. Yeah, my mentor, he Raja told me that if you're gonna trade 1 to 2 trades a day, maximum three, you're gonna be good because you're gonna practice every single day, right? You don't need to take too many trades a day, and then in the end of the day, your profit is in break even or profit become loss, right? Just take 1 to 2 trades a day, maximum three. Call it a day. Enjoy your day. One hour is about to close. 4 hours about to close. Nice, nice, nice. 66 pip move. Damn. Dim. All right, no top wick in a 1. No top wick in the 4, no top wick 2. So we have a volume, okay? The price stack up here. So yeah, high chance to sweep this. Let's see. Major swinger at 4,010. That's huge, huh? 4,010 was that 400? 3,410 or what? Three 340. Yeah, high chance. I told you guys, okay? I told you guys we can sweep this and react. So this can happen, right? Once this daily candle, all right, trying to move up here in the lower time frame, right? We're trying to move up. Once we re-break the previous candle high on the left, start to react, there is a high chance that we can move down like this today, okay, if we have a lot of volume. But if the candle start to react and in the end of the day we close bullish like this, and tomorrow's candle we need top wick and then move down here, this can happen here, or re-break again on the high. That can happen. That's how we read candles, because at least you need to create a structure on the lower time frame, right? But let's see what will happen now. Right now I don't want to take sell. It's really risky here. We're going up. Sell. No buenos for me, gang. No buenos. No buenos. I need to wait for confirmation. Let's see how this 15 minutes candle. No topic on the 4. The 4 re-break the high. So we need bottom wick on the 4, right? Enable for us to move down, move up. You need to top this to move up. Yeah, it will be clean traffic for sales. Yeah, through that. But we need closure, a big body closure here. Right? We're gonna trade against the trend. We need candle this. If it close past 3, 4, yeah, there's a high chance that we can move up. Probably up. Of course, boom, 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 boom. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream, man. Subs to the channel. 3,400 key level. Mm-hmm. 8 minutes, man. We don't have volume now again. Four minutes, gang. 4 minutes here. Let's see how this 15 candle close. Give me a second. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Mm-hmm. Holding by from 3389. Wow, W, bro. W. Mm-hmm. 26 seconds. In 1 second, the candle flip bullish. Damn. Shooting up here. Holy, a lot of volume. And if you're in the US now, you can trade with FTMO now, chat. It's good news. Gold, gold, gold. What you wanna do, gold? Gold, gold, gold. What you wanna do? Three, 4, 0, 4, 1 hour liquidity. I'm expecting the 4. The 4 should move up here first. Top 3 3409. So this is the liquidity here. You need to sweep this, enable for you to push down. But you need to expect 4-hour bottom wick here. The 4 should make a bottom wick. And it one is flip down, flip bullish. Now it's gonna look like this. But minimum, you need to create a bottom wick. Minimum. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 10 minutes for candle to close. Okay. 30 will close bearish. 15 will close bearish. This candle has to close below. This candle need to close bearish, yeah. For onion sell. Because that's the 15, that's the 30 close too. And it's gonna look nice once this candle close bearish with a good body. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Let's see, we need this candle to close bearish. In 9 minutes, gang. 9 minutes. 7 minutes for candle to close. What strategy do you use? I use price action. Price action. 4 minutes for candle to close. Can we close bearish now? Boom, boom. All right, man. We're re-breaking the lows. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Excuse me. Damn. Re-break the lows, react. Can this strategy work in your work session? Yeah. It's just really working in any session. Damn, okay, chat. 1 minute and 14 seconds. We are moving down. This is gonna be nice. How many pip going down here? 54 pip. Okay. But we need to see bottom wick. Bottom wick is a mass. No bottom wick, no bueno. We need bottom wick. We need bottom wick, gold. Gold, we need bottom wick. Damn, no bottom wick, chat. Cool. No bottom wick, gang. No bottom wick closure. Why no bottom wick closure? All right, gang. So we close without any bottom wick here, right? So no bueno for me. I probably gonna call it the stream now and then come back later on tonight. No, I'm not gonna trade tonight and NY. I'm gonna go to gym. So yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it the stream now. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow again. And yeah, if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss and don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right. So yeah, man. Blessings to you all, chat. Love and wisdom. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out here.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.